Hello, friends. My name is Max. I do repairs and maintenance on Ferrari, Maserati, Lamborghini. I am in Russia, in the city of Moscow. Well, today we have a regular day, and I'd like to show you how we do it. In front of you are two Ferrari cars and one Maserati. The red one is the 812 Superfast. The black one next to it is also an 812 Superfast. Each of these cars is worth $350,000 to $400,000 each. 400,000 American dollars. Is that a lot or little? I don't know, but this red car here, it's even more interesting. It's more cool. Because it's got a no Vitek exhaust system. Here are the Navitec taillights. Well, there's a lot of tuning on this car in general. Which Ferrari do you think is better? Red color or black color? In Russia, mostly people buy Ferrari red or yellow color. Black is not a popular color in Russia. I hope this video will be of interest to you. I'm translating this video into English through a neural network. So write in the comments. What do you think of the quality of the English translation? But I'll be showing you videos on supercar repair often. We do it every day. Well, now is one of those examples. Next to the Ferrari, we have an old Maserati. I'll show you now. Russia has them too, but I think there are more Maseratis like that in America. Well, which do you like better, the red or the black Ferrari? Write to me by all means. Well, there's the Maserati I was talking about. Remember the movie The Sopranos? This Maserati right here was in the movie The Sopranos. A very, very nice, beautiful model, but unfortunately it is very, very old. How much does a car like this cost in America? Email me in the comments too. That would be interesting too. Oil service for such a Ferrari costs $1,500 in Russia now. 1,500 US dollars. I think it's a lot cheaper than doing the same thing in America. Well, because in Russia, people's labor costs much less than abroad. Well, write me how you like my video, liked or disliked it. I will be very happy to answer you. But that's all for today. This is my first video. I went to work. You all have a good viewing. Bye, everybody. Subscribe to my channel. Like it.